Yo, guys, I just finished building this clean website for this client. The travel agency, obviously, they was having only one card page, travel page, and we find out that is the first bottleneck or the first problem that we need to fix. So instead, of trying to build automation around that, we build a completely brand new website that is perfectly matching the overall vision of her. So that is the website looking on a computers, connected, everything good. The about page is working fine. And if you can see, whenever we tell a deep story, we try to give the prospect a CTA, so call to action button there. Then give them a little bit of the galleries. We're gonna add more pictures on here as time goes on, and this is the services that she offered. And obviously if you go to the services page, you will see all the services that they have here. We give them a CTA, so it's like telling them something, giving them a CTA. Like, I think that's a good way to actually get a lot of prospect to click on the CTA, and then we put her reviews on their destination, and we put some of the destination that they do. Obviously, you can basically offer a service worldwide. So, and then after giving that, we put another CTA there and how it works services. So telling the people how the services work, I think is a great way to give them a call to action bottom as well from there. And then tell them more about the services on there. And then we put all the testimonials from here. Obviously there's quite a few. So we just put about 8 and then give them CTA. So customers seeing how well of these people are helping this other client. So it's best for me to go to them to help me book my trip as well, special for busy professionals. So we give them a CTA again, and then the contact form, we have some form of qualification layer here. So we're gonna connect that to the CRM that we're gonna build for her, and then the automation that is gonna be running behind this. But yeah, man, that's the website. It's looking really good. Honestly, the logo, we built this brand new logo for her, and that is where I get the vision of the color. So how we need to match the color from the logo here and make sure everything aligned to that. And I think we did good on that. But yeah, that is just the website. Again, if you are having a SOC website, just reach out, man. Can build a completely new website for you and build automation around that to eliminate the manual work for you. But yeah, that website is done. Now I'm gonna onboard a new client. I have 2 more websites to do. Obviously, we're gonna take some new clients to build either website or automation or launch our Ghost List Reviver into their business to reactivate their dead list. So that system is working really good. We launch it. I'm gonna make a video for this, how well it's working for this client. With that being said, just gonna leave this here.